Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you how you can install Rocket League. Let's start by going to your browser and search for Epic Games Launcher. So on this page, make sure to log in or create an account first. After signing in, go on and click Download Epic Games Launcher. After downloading the launcher, install it. Since it's already installed in my end, let's now just open it and make sure to sign into your account. Then in here, you can search and download for your games. On the search box, type Rocket League, then tap on it. On the right side, click on Get and reach this one. Check this box and click on Accept. Then this page will show up. It is free, so you don't have to pay for anything. Just click Place Order below and click I agree. Then it will say in library over here. Just head onto your library on the left side of your screen, and as you can see, Rocket League is now available. Tap on it and click Install and agree to this one. Click Accept and it will start downloading on your device. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.